Caterers and chefs, this is the vehicle for you. This is a mobile kitchen van that is ready to rock and roll and join your fleet. Whether this is your first one or you're adding to it, this vehicle has a wash station where you can wash all of your supplies. It's good to go and equipped. It also has storage racks so you can dry everything and put it there and have the space you need. It also is equipped to have internet. All you need to put is a router in there and you'll be good to go to operate your business. As you can see, there's a bulkhead to protect the drivers. Then this is where you will be able to monitor and turn everything on and off. Then we have refrigeration as well. There is a lot of refrigeration, which is great for the chefs or caterers who are trying to deliver high quality meals. We also have warmers and we have an air fryer and a dry sink for you. So we have everything that you would need to be able to run your mobile kitchen successfully. So come and check it out at Mint Motors, mintmotors1.com. We're here in Fort Myers, but we ship nationwide. So come and check it out.